Have you ever wanted to create animated horror story videos that send shivers down spines, captivate millions of viewers, and generate incredible revenue? On YouTube, entire channels built around short, scary stories are pulling in millions of views every month, and the creators are earning thousands of dollars just by telling chilling tales. Here's the secret. While most YouTube content averages around a $4 CPM, storytelling channels in the horror genre often hit $10, $15 CPM. Why? Because horror keeps viewers hooked. Advertisers love that high engagement. And the best part? You don't need expensive equipment. You can create these eerie, atmospheric videos straight from your phone, completely free, in just 4 simple steps. So, let's dive in. Step 1. Generating horror story ideas. For ideas, we'll use ChatGPT. Now, you could always hire a ghostwriter on Fiverr, or you could write stories yourself. But if you want endless creepy concepts at your fingertips, ChatGPT is your best friend. Here's a sample prompt you can use. Give me 10 original short horror story ideas that can be told in under 5 minutes. Each story should include a chilling hook, a rising suspense, and an unexpected twist ending. Once you run this prompt, you'll get a list of fresh ideas. For example, you might see 1. The Last Passenger. A taxi driver picks up a woman late at night who whispers an address he knows is abandoned. 2. Voice notes. A woman finds new audio recordings on her phone every morning, though she never made them. 3. The Crying Baby. A couple hears a baby crying outside their cabin deep in the woods. Each idea usually comes with a core message, a hook, and elements you can easily expand into a full video. For today, let's pick 1, The Last Passenger. Now, we'll go back to ChatGPT with a second prompt. Expand story number 1 into a full YouTube script with scene descriptions, narration, and visuals for animation. This way, you'll instantly get a scene-by-scene breakdown of your horror short, complete with narration lines and visual cues. Perfect for the next step. Step 2. Creating the creepy voiceover. Once you've got your horror story script, the next step is to give it a chilling voice that pulls viewers deep into the atmosphere. Now, you could record your own narration. If you've got a naturally eerie or dramatic voice, that's perfect. But if you're shy, or you want to experiment with different horror tones, think deep, whispery, robotic, or even childlike creepy voices, you can use AI tools to generate them. 2 great free options are 11 Labs, free plan, lets you create realistic, unsettling voices with emotion control, and Amazon Web Services, Amazon Polly. Amazon Polly is completely free at the moment, although it has limited voice options. It's something to fall back to when you run out of 11 Labs free credits. For today's video, I'm going to use 11 Labs. Here's how you do it. Open up 11 Labs and sign up. Now click text-to-speech and add in your script. Now select the voice you want as your voice-over. I'm going to type in scary or spooky to find one that would be appropriate for our video. After selecting one, I'm going to click Generate Speech and then download it to my computer. Step 3. Creating the horror images with AI. Now that we have our voice-over sorted, let's generate our images. For today's video, I'm going to use 2 options. Midjourney, which is paid, and Leonardo AI, which is free to use with limitations. Depending on which platform you find best, pick that one. Let's first head over to Midjourney and start generating a few images. For image prompts, I went back to ChatPay and gave it this prompt. For each scene, give me an image prompt I can use for image generation on AI. It generated some prompts I could use for our image generation. Now, I've noticed with ChatPay that it misses out on a lot of details, So if you feel these prompts are not that great, always edit to your liking to be as detailed as possible, as that's what's going to help you generate the best images. I'm just going to copy one of these prompts and paste them to Midjourney's website in the Imagine bar. I'm going to set the parameters to 16:9 for YouTube. If you're creating a short, you can choose the portrait option. Midjourney has generated some images, and I'm going to generate some more for more scenes. After I'm done generating these images, I'm also going to go to Leonardo AI to generate some more images for our remaining scenes, just to get an idea of what it generates for us. This will be a great way to compare the two. I copy-pasted some prompts from ChatGPT and tweaked with the settings on Leonardo AI. I'm going to add a screenshot of my settings so you can copy those and add them into your settings. Now, Leonardo gives you around 150 credits every day, and they don't add up, so you have to use them up in one day. Depending on your settings, you can generate up to 10 images per day, so make good use of your prompts. Download the images once you're satisfied. Step 4. Creating the horror animation with Video. Now that we've got our spooky story and chilling voiceover, let's turn it into a full-blown animated horror short. We'll use Video, a completely free AI tool that transforms text into animations. Now, although this is free, it gives you about 100 free credits each month, which may help you generate 2 to 3 videos only. However, you can subscribe to their standard plan, which is just $8, and you'll be able to generate up to 40 videos with that each month. Here's how to generate the video on Video step by step. Head over to Video on your browser. Click Video, then choose the Image to Video option. Paste in your horror story script for each visual. Then choose the option Halio 02, which is their latest model. However, this takes up more credits, so choose Theory Halio 01, Live option, which is great too, and this will take up less credits. You can choose your resolution. Choose 512p to use the least credits, and if you want a better quality video, then 720p would be best too. Now just click where it shows you these credits that you'll be using up, and your video will be up for generation. After a couple of minutes, you'll have your animation ready, and you can just download it. Now, if you used free credits, you'll have a watermark on your video. You can easily edit that out on a video editing software by just cropping it out or just adding your own channel logo over it. Now let's assemble our video with the voiceovers that we generated, and we'll also add some eerie background music to it. Let's use Canva for this. I'm going to head over to Canva and search for a blank template for YouTube video. Then I'm going to upload the animations we created. Then I'm going to add each animation on a separate page with their own narrations that we created from 11 Labs. I downloaded an eerie background sound for free from a website which I'll link below. I then layered this audio in the background along with the voiceover. After creating the video, I downloaded it in an MP4 format. Now let's check how our video turned out.
On a stormy night, when most people had already locked their doors and turned off their lights, taxi driver Imran was still working. He hated late shifts, but bills didn't pay themselves. She stepped out of the shadows, silent, soaked in rain. Imran pulled over without thinking. Something about her felt heavy, wrong. But a passenger was a passenger. She gave him an address. Imran's stomach sank. He knew that place, a house that had been abandoned for years.
So, that was a video that we generated just while working on this video. You can improvise and make the storyline better. You can use better visuals and also generate better animations based on better prompts. Just keep trying till you perfect it all. Step 5. uploading and monetization of horror stories. Now, I know I said 4 simple steps, but here's a bonus step for foolproof success. Now that your horror short is ready, it's time to put it out into the world and start turning those chills into clicks and revenue. Here's a step-by-step process. Uploading to YouTube. Go to your YouTube studio, click Upload Video, title it something scary plus curiosity-driven. You can always ask Chat8 to help you generate some clickbaity titles. Example: The Last Passenger, horror short animation, don't watch alone. Write a description that teases the story and includes keywords. A taxi driver picks up a silent passenger at midnight. But when he glances at the mirror, he realizes she doesn't exist. Watch this AI-generated horror short if you dare. Add hashtags like #horror, shorts #scary stories, or again, ask ChatP to help you generate some. Create a thumbnail, use dark colors, glowing red text, maybe the silhouette of the passenger in the car window with the text, "She wasn't real." And you're done. With the right title and the right thumbnail, your video is going to go viral. And your channel is going to hit the YouTube monetization goals in no time. In order to be monetized, you need 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. And trust me, some people have achieved this in just a few weeks. I myself monetized my channel in under 6 months. So don't just quit if you feel like it's going nowhere. Stay consistent and you'll see results. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and comment below what you thought was the best part about the video. I'll see you next time.